Hello friends, I am Adrija. Welcome to my study room. In the previous video, we have already completed question number 1 of exercise 8.3. Today we are going to start with question number 2 of exercise 8.3. So let's start. So what is in question number 2? Show that number 1 is tan 45 degree, tan 23 degree, tan 42 degree, tan 67 degree is equal to 1. So it is proof, right? So first let's write left hand side. Left hand side. What is left hand side? Tan 48 degree into tan 23 degree into tan 42 degree into tan 67 degree, right? Now tan 48 degree, tan 23 degree. Now what we know, tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta, right? We have learned tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. So tan 42 degree will be what? Cot 90 minus 42, right? Cot 90 minus 42 degree. Then tan 67, again tan theta equal to cot 90 minus theta. So tan 67 will be cot 90 minus 67. Again cot 90 minus 67. Okay. Now tan 48, tan 23. What will be this? Cot. What is 90 minus 42? 8. And 8 minus 4 is 4. 48. And again cot. Now 3. This will be 2. So now tan 48, tan 23. Now we can write cot 48 degree as 1 by tan 48 degree, right? We have already learned it earlier that cot A is equal to 1 by tan A. So we can write cot 48 as 1 by tan 48. 1 by tan 48. And we can also write this cot 23 degree as 1 by tan 23 degree. 1 by tan 23 degree. Okay. So tan 48 will be cut. Tan 23 and tan 23 will also be cut, right? So 1 into 1. What is 1 into 1? It is 1. So you can see that we have proved it is 1. So what? Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Right? Left hand side is equal to right hand side because we have already found that the left hand side equal to 1 and right hand side is also 1. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Proved. Now let's solve number 2. So what is the number 2? Show that cos 38 degree, cos 52 degree minus sin 38 degree, sin 52 degree is equal to 0. We have to show, okay? So first is left hand side. Cos 38 degree, cos 52 degree, sin 38 degree and sin 52 degree. Is equal to, now first cos 38 degree, okay? Now cos 38 degree, what we know, cos A is equal to sin 90 minus A and over here cos 52 degree. So we can write cos 52 degree as sin 90 minus 52, right? Sin 38 degree. Now we also know that sin A is equal to cos 90 minus A. So sine 52 degree we can change into cos 90 minus 52. Cos 90 minus 52, right? Now cos 38 sine, what is 90 minus 52? 8, and 8 minus 5 is 3. Sine 38, then cos again 90 minus 52, so 38, right? Now over there is sine 38 cos 38, so we can write cos 38 sine 38 as sine 38 cos 38, right? Sine 38 cos 38 minus sine 38 cos 38. Okay, so see over here, sine 38 cos 38 minus sine 38 cos 38. So plus sine 38 cos 38 and minus sine 38 cos 38 will be cut. What is the answer? 0. See, 0, we have already proved it. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Proved. Okay, with this we have completed question number 2. In the next video I am going to be back with question number 3 of exercise 8.3. So if you like this video, click on like button, and to stay with me please click on subscribe button. Thank you.